Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, Ford Super Duty. You see here, and this car here is, what year is it? Let me see, 2012, 2013. Beautiful car, ignition cylinder, giving us hard time, sometime turn, sometime not. We rekey it, we put a new one there. So now we need to program it. So let's see how easy or how fast it is to add a key or to do all key race. Or also the message, this car doesn't have a light bulb, but in here you can see starting fault system. So that it have a BCM, and the BCM will be disabled. So let's go here and accept, and I'm trying to see if we can go through add a key. I gotta go by VIN number because ignition is on. And Ford US, Ford European car also could be the same. Okay, here we have everything. I'm gonna try to decode it. I already decoded the information. Is this blade key or smart key? Blade key. Okay, here is the car F Series Super Duty from 2011 to 2016, the same. So let's go again. What do you need? Just go to hot function. Add a key just to start. Let me see how long it take. It will not erase the existing key. Let's see how long it take. Does it take 5 minutes? This is here, it say 10 minutes, but they say 3 to 10 minutes, which is good. Configuring the system, please wait. I just want to be sure that I can start, but it start counting. I don't know how long it take, but they say about 10 minutes. It's gonna count the access, so I'm gonna leave it here, stay here a little bit. If you notice here, it's still 80%, 81%, and this one it would take 10 minutes. Some cars it would take only 1 to 3 minutes, and some of them it takes some time. Be sure your battery is fully charged, and this is applied for all cars with this kind of key. Yes. On 80%, you see here, key learn it, number 5. Key learn it, key 4. You say okay. You're gonna learn this one here. The current number of the key is 4. Key learning failed. The key has been learned by the other vehicle. Do you wanna try? So let me take this one out. He said key failed. I don't believe so. Let me try to put this one. Turn the key on. Okay, let me see now. I put another key. So okay, so the first key, as soon as it's finished, it will learn. So now this one is 4 and this one is 5. Do you learn? The current number of the key is 5. Learn it. Success. Do you wanna learn next key? Say yes. So turn this one out. Put this one. So okay. You say no key on this one. Do you want to continue or no? So I don't know why. You cannot learn this key. I don't know why. But this one I believe is learned already. Okay, something wrong with this key here. Something wrong with this key, but you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna open this key here, take that chip, this already programmed to the car. I'm gonna disable this key and transfer it into this one. So we have 2 keys. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you for watching.